Hey, welcome back to T2s BBQ YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, guys, but you know, with everything, all the craziness going on in the world, I just hope that this finds all of you doing well, unaffected by the COVID deal. So let's get to cooking. Today we're going to be doing some lemon pepper chicken on the grill, and I'm going to show you guys how to mix up my mustard sauce to go with it. It's just a light basting sauce that coat your chicken with while it's still on the grill, and just adds another layer of flavor. So let's get down to it. So what we're gonna start with a little bit of butter, and when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit. We're gonna start with about a little over a cup. Oh, come on, come out of there. And we'll get that in our pot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everybody into the pot here, and then this is a sauce that you warm up. And we're going in with a cup of butter, or a cup of mustard, after our cup and a little bit of butter. Then half cup of wash your sister sauce. And then you're going to have to forgive me for just a second, because I need a measuring cup that is not up there. There you go. Thank you to my lovely assistant. Now we're going to add 2 cups of lemon juice. And this sauce goes well. It pairs beautifully with chicken, even if you're not doing the lemon pepper seasoning on it. Alright, so we're going to go into the pool with 2 cups of lemon juice, and then a little Tony Satcheries, because Tony's makes everything better. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And then this is coarse ground black pepper. We buy the big bulk thing because we use so much of it, and got the neat little ball shaker top. So gonna go in with about a teaspoon of black pepper. And then from here I'm gonna put it on the stove and warm it up slowly till the butter melts and everything will come together. And I'm not gonna make you guys suffer through all of that. I'll get it done and then show it to you here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we've got our butter melted, got everybody all nice and happy. You're gonna see mustard floaties in there, but that's alright, it's okay. Whenever you go to use it, if you're gonna brush it on, just give it a little stir with your brush. If you're gonna spoon it on, whatever. I like to use a squirt bottle, so I'm gonna try to do this in front of the camera without making a big mess. And were somewhat successful. Then whenever I get ready to use it, put my finger over the end, give it a shake, there we go. So the recipe makes quite a bit, but you can refrigerate this stuff and it will keep. We've kept it for a month and no worries, no nothing. I will tell you, there are some variances, some deviations if you want. I've made it with adding honey, kind of a honey mustard sauce. That goes real well also. You can throw in a little soy sauce or a little teriyaki. Just do whatever you like, make it your own. You can also change the amount of mustard. Add a little more mustard if you like it strong, a little less if it's too much. So there it is, guys. And I will tell you, it's best to make it a couple hours before you use it so that it has time to kind of steep and let the flavors come together. But there is our mustard sauce recipe, and my daughter down in Arkansas loves this stuff. We have to make it in huge batches and can it just to take down to her from time to time. So now she knows how to do it. Alright guys, I will take you outside here in a little bit whenever we're cooking our chicken, and we'll run through the application out there, and so we'll see you here in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're outside in the little cook area. This is my first video with the Father's Day present from my girls, the new Pit Boss Austin XL. So I've got some chicken thighs, skin on, that have been seasoned with lemon pepper and sitting in marinade for 2 days. So now we're ready to go on to the grill. I do have the sear plate closed, and so we are going to be more of we're going to get a little more smoke to them, which is one of the nice features about the Pit Boss. I have learned that my Pit Boss runs really hot in the center. That's why you see me laying everything to the outside. So, got everybody on. We're cooking. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Keep you up to speed with our cook. Alright guys, we've been cooking here for a little bit. We got a good smoke rolling. If you don't have a quick read or instant read thermometer, you need to get one. Nowadays they're cheap, they don't cost a whole lot, and even Susie says, get one. Ain't that right, baby? So, you definitely want to make sure that especially on poultry, that you're getting temp All right, we're at 160. 163. All right. So we're just gonna take our little sauce and just kind of drizzle over it. Let it run over. So we'll let that sit, do its thing for just 5 to 7 minutes. Then we'll turn it, we'll do it again, give it a few more minutes, turn it back, skin side up, and we'll finish it off. So we're running the pit boss on about 300 degrees, and I've moved everything to this end because it's a little cooler. Wanted to slow things down a little bit, so we'll bring you back here in just a few minutes and hit it with another coat. See. All right, guys, so we've got our first little coat on, and you notice it's spread in, soaked in. It's kind of formed a little glaze on there. We're going to give them a quick turn, even the ones that want to be a pain in the butt. Give everybody a quick flip. These 3 to 5 minutes, turn them over, hit the top one more time, and then we'll finish them off, and I'll let you see them after, when we get our next coat on, see what you think. So see you back here in a few. All right, guys, so been a few minutes. We're gonna check our temps again. Actually, yeah, we're gonna hit our temps. Oh yeah, 167, 167. 168. All right. Okay, so we are right at safe cook temp for poultry. That's 170, guys. We're at 167, 168. So we're gonna turn and baste. Take our little bottle of magic. And if you're wondering about these, those are stuffed jalapenos. If you guys would like to see a recipe and see how those are done, drop a comment, send us a message, let us know, and we'll make that happen. We've got jalapenos growing out here in the garden. Those are the first ones off this year, so we were ready to do some stuffed jalapenos. So thank you guys for spending time with us. We truly appreciate you. You guys stay safe. Remember to smash that subscribe button, click the little bell, and until next time, take care.